How do you lay proper foundation for best evidence rule? Imagine trying to build a house without a solid foundation. The whole structure could collapse. The same idea applies in court when trying to prove something with evidence. Laying a proper foundation for the best evidence rule is about making sure the evidence is what it claims to be and that it can be trusted. First, you need to authenticate the evidence. That means showing the court that the document or recording is genuine. Usually, a witness who created or handled the evidence can testify about its origin. For example, a person who made a recording or kept a document can confirm it's authentic. Next, you must establish the chain of custody. This means proving that the evidence was handled carefully and not tampered with. You should explain how it was collected, stored, and transferred. If the evidence is a physical object or electronic file, showing a clear trail helps prove it's still in the same condition as when it was first obtained. Then, you need to show the evidence is relevant and material. Relevance means it relates directly to the case, and materiality means it can influence the outcome. The foundation should include proof that links the evidence to the facts you want to prove. If the original evidence is missing, you must explain why. Maybe it was lost or destroyed without any bad intent. You then need to show that a duplicate is accurate and reliable. A witness can testify that the copy is a true and correct version of the original. Using witnesses is key. They should have personal knowledge about how the evidence was created, handled, or what it contains. For example, a records custodian can verify business records, or a photographer can confirm a photo's accuracy. Be ready to respond to objections like lacks foundation. You do this by clearly explaining each step: authentication, chain of custody, relevance, and any exceptions. In court, attorneys prepare witnesses to testify about these points before offering the evidence. This helps the judge see that the evidence meets the rules and can be trusted. Remember, if you don't lay a proper foundation, the evidence might be excluded. That can change the outcome of the case. So, the main goal is to prove that the evidence is authentic, reliable, and connected to the case. This way, the judge or jury can consider it fairly under the best evidence rule.